I got my Boxycharm! Huge Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask worth $60. Wow. This is the size of the container compared to the box. Blush and brush. Let's try it out. Nice! What is this? 2 shadow sticks. Colors. Swatches. Shadow sticks are one of those things that get us excited because they're different, but secretly, we don't really like them. We prefer regular eyeshadow. $32. Manicotti. Spray doesn't really work that well. That's it for my Boxycharm for September. Bye!